guys, welcome to another video. So we're going to be doing a set of nails using Born Pretty products today. So we're going to be using these Light Years Away cat eye gel polishes from Born Pretty. Really pretty they are, really unusual. I've pulled out these tips, going to be working on these tips, and I've pulled out this pure black from Born Pretty. I really like this black and white. It's so opaque. Both the black and the white are really, really opaque. And I'm going to give all 4 tips a coat of the black gel polish. I'll probably just show you me doing a couple of the nails because the background of the nails are pretty much all the same. And then the nail art is going to be very similar. So yeah, I think I'll probably just show you me doing a couple of the nails today. So it'll be a nice, quick, easy video. And it is a really nice, beginner-friendly design as well. So we're going to be doing galaxy nails. These cat eyes, what we're going to be using, are the perfect gel polishes to do galaxy nails. You'll see why once we get going. So I have done 2 coats of that black. I did the second coat off camera, curing for 60 seconds in between each coat. Now I've pulled out this Light Years Away cat eye gel polish colour MY516, which is the gold. We've applied a full coat of that over the cured black gel polish. And now we're going to go in with a magnet and we're going to bring that cat eye effect out, just wiggling it from side to side. And then we're going to use this circle cat eye magnet and we're just going to do like a swirly effect. And then once I'm happy with that effect, I'm going to pop it straight in the lamp and that'll freeze that in place. So I've cured that for 60 seconds and now we're going to do the same on the second nail. Going in with that gold again. Then we'll bring the cat eye effect out with the strong magnet. Just wiggling it from side to side, up the side walls and at the ends, till I'm happy with that. Once I've brought the cat eye effect out, I'm going to go in with the circle magnet, bringing it in on the right hand side at the bottom and then the left hand side at the top, and that just gives you a swirly effect. We're now going to go in with the blue, which is MY517. Going straight over that swirl what we've already done, giving a full coat of that to the tip. Then we're going to go in with the strong magnet again. Oh, that blue is stunning, isn't it? Bringing that cat eye effect out, making it really, really vibrant. And then we'll go in with the circle again, doing the exact same as what we did with the gold. Just like that. And then pop that straight in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Then we're going to do the blue swirl on the second nail. Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, all 4 tips have got the same background colour. So I am doing the other 2 nails off camera, the exact same as what I'm showing you here. So that's why I didn't want to show you doing all 4, because it's just going to get too repetitive. It's going to get too boring. So I've brought the cat eye effect out with that strong magnet. Then we're going to go in with a circle. Going in from that right hand side at the bottom, then the left hand side at the top. Just like that, and then pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going to go in with MY519, which is the red, just like we did with the other 2 colours, giving it a full coat to the whole of that nail, making sure it's going right up those side walls. And then we'll bring that cat eye effect out with a strong magnet. That red is absolutely stunning. Love it. And then we'll go in with the magnet again, the circle magnet. Just like that. That's how it's looking so far. So cool. Give that a cure. Do the same on the second tip. Full coat to the whole of the nail. And then go in with a strong magnet. Bring out that gorgeous red cat eye. Love it. And I thought with these having that reflective glitter in them, they look like stars. I thought, what a really cool idea to do galaxy nails with these. As soon as I swatched them, I knew they were just great for galaxy nails. So that's that one done. And now we're on to the last colour, which is the pink MY514. With this pink, we're going to do a slightly different way. We're going to apply it the same and we're going to bring the cat eye effect out the same with the strong magnet. It's always best to bring that cat eye effect out before you do any design with cat eyes. You always get a better effect. And then this time I'm going in the opposite direction with the circle magnet. just like that. So that is that one done. We're now going to do the second nail, full coat to the whole of the nail. And these nails aren't bulky, you know, guys. Considering we've done 4 coats of gel colour, they're not bulky at all, because you don't need to apply them really thick. So I've brought the cat eye effect out with that strong magnet. And then we're going to get the circle magnet when I stop faffing around. And we're going to go in from the left hand side at the bottom this time, and then the right hand side at the top, just to make it a little bit different. Now we're going to give them a matte top coat, because we're going to be doing some artwork over these now. So that is the backgrounds all finished. And I always like to do my artwork over a matte surface. I just find it so much easier. So I've given all of them a coat of a matte top coat. Then cured them for 60 seconds in the lamp. And now they're going to be ready for some artwork. These look terrible with the matte top coat on, guys. Look at that. They look so bad, don't they? They look so much better shiny, these cat eyes. So now we're going to go in and do the artwork, like I said. So I've pulled out the pure black again, and I'm just going to paint 2 circles. I'm applying the majority of the product with the brush out the bottle, and then I will go in with my dotting tool, and then I will just even them circles out, making them a proper circle. So much easier to do a circle with a dotting tool, guys, than what it is a brush. So much easier. So I'm just going to even them circles out. Then once I'm happy with them circles, I'll pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So then black circles are fully cured. I'm now going in with that red NY519. And I'm just going to paint that bottom black circle. Just going straight over the black circle. Getting it right up to them edges. And then we're going to bring the magnet out. And we're going to bring that cat eye effect out of that beautiful red colour. It's proper burning fire red. It's gorgeous. And then I've just give that a flash cure just in case I knocked it. And now I'm going in with the blue NY517. Fill in that top circle. Bring out that cat eye effect with that super strong magnet. Just so you can see that gorgeous vibrant blue. Then I'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And that will be the artwork on that nail done, guys. Onto the middle nail now. And I've pulled out the pure white. Guys, look how well this white covers over that black background. This white is so pigmented. And it's never wrinkled in the lamp. It's so opaque. Born Pretty, I've got a really, really great formula there. So I'm just painting a... So this is going to be a moon. It's nearly going to be a full moon, but not quite. So I'm just going to paint the outline with the brush out the bottle. And then I'm going to go in with my liner brush. And I'm just going to feather that out. But not all the way to the edge of the nail, but near enough. I'm just going to leave a slight gap coming towards that edge of that nail. So I want it to look like a bright opaque white on the left hand side of that moon, and then as it comes towards the right hand side I want it to like feather off and be darker, so it looks like it's the dark side of the moon, if you like. It's like shaded. And then what I'm going to do is to get rid of them like feathered marks with my brush, I'm just going to tap that bit of gel polish with my finger. Now make sure if you ever do this, guys, you're always wearing gloves. Never go into gel polish with your fingers without gloves on. Always make sure you're wearing gloves when you're touching the product. And that will just ombre that out exactly how I want it to look. And that is exactly how I wanted it to look, just like that. A little bit shaded on the right hand side. So I've given that a cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go in and do the odd little stars with my dotting tool. I've just done 3 at the top there, and I'm going to do 1 at the bottom. And I'm going to turn this bottom one into a 4-pointed star. So I like to drag down, drag to the right, drag to the left, and then drag up from that dot using my liner brush, and that is how I do my 4 pointed stars. This brush is amazing for doing 4 pointed stars. So look how fine those bristles are. That is my favourite brush for doing 4 pointed stars with. So just going to do the same on this one. Couple of dots dotted about, just where I feel like they need to be. I don't want to overload these with dots because you've already obviously got the reflective glitter representing the stars. I just wanted there to be a couple of bigger ones. So we're going to have 2 4 pointed stars on this one. So we're going to pull out from the bottom, pull out from the bottom. Then we're going to pull out to the right of this one and pull out to the right of that one. And then drag up from that dot, drag up from the dot. And then sideways and sideways, and that is the 4 pointed stars done. And that is the artwork done on that nail, guys. All done. So now all the artwork is done. We're going to go in and seal them all now with Born Pretty's Super Top Coat. This is my go-to top coat when I do my nails. I love it. It's scratch resistant, stain resistant, anti-yellowing. It stays glossy for weeks. Weeks and weeks. I love it. Self-levels beautifully as well. So I'm just going to give all the nails a full coat of that, and then we'll come in and take a look at them all finished. And that is what the nails look like all finished, guys. Ignore that thumbnail because I wasn't too happy with it, and it doesn't fit my thumb anyway. But it was the largest tip up they had in that shape, so yeah, ignore the thumbnail. But that's what they look like on tip display stands, and now we're going to pop them on, and look how much different they look when you're wearing them. They just look so much better, don't they? So that's what they look like with the flash on. You can't really see the cat eye until you turn the flash off. When the flash is on, you can just see loads of reflective glitter. Mind you, my lights are still too bright for you to be able to see the cat eye effect, to be honest. I will put a couple of pictures at the end of this video with the right kind of light in so you can see the cat eye effect better. But these Galaxy nails, they're such a quick, easy, beginner-friendly design to do, guys. And they're really effective as well. You can kind of see the cat eye effect there a little bit, but it's so much more brighter to the eye than what my camera's showing it. Much more brighter. Look, can you see? You have to kind of catch it in the right light for you to be able to see it. But yeah, to the eye, it's so much more colourful. So these are the products that we've used today, guys. All the products that I have used today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. If there's anything that you've seen me use that you're interested in buying yourself, all you got to do is click that link. It will take you straight to that item. If you decide to place yourself an order on Born Pretty's website, I have got a huge discount code. You'll also find that in my description box, and I'll also pin it in the comments as well, along with the Born Pretty website. So that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.